Your Corner at 5:30.
A Tri-City sheriff says a recent change in the county's family insurance policy has already led to the resignation of one deputy.
It's a big issue in Unicoi County where the Sheriff Mike Hensley says at least a dozen other deputies have come forward saying they're going to have to do the same thing because they cannot afford it. Last month, Unicoi County Commissioners voted to change the county employees' family insurance plans. While the new plan will save the county money, Sheriff Hensley says it's costing some of his deputies now more than half of their paychecks. Jordan Moore reveals why Sheriff Hensley is concerned this could become a major safety issue.
I'm going to be a daddy. I got to take care of that youngin'. And I can't do that here with the insurance the way it's going to be.
It wasn't too long ago Jacob Marshall found out he was going to have a family of his very own. But around the same time, Marshall, a narcotics investigator with the Unicoi County Sheriff's Office, also found out the amount of insurance he would have to pay out of pocket was going to be more than his bank account could handle.
I'd be $500 out of my paycheck when I only bring $800 and some home. A pay period.
Back in July, Unicoi County Commissioners voted the county would not cover as much as it has in previous years for those county employees who need insurance for their families. Mayor Greg Lynch telling us over the phone the change will save the county more than $115,000. But Sheriff Hensley says it's a change his department can't afford.
It's put me in a bad situation as a sheriff. It's going to endanger the safety of the public.
Hensley told us one deputy has already resigned, looking for a job that can provide better family coverage. And that's not all.
Everybody that has a family here is looking for another job.
Chief Deputy Frank Rogers says he has a wife and 3 children he has to think about.
Part of the responsibility as the breadwinner is to make sure that you can take babies to the doctor when they get sick.
Even though county commissioners are set to vote on a final budget in just a few days, Sheriff Hensley says he still has hope.
Pray that the county will look at this and fully realize the fallout.
Jordan Moore, News Channel 11 in your corner.
So the next step, the Unicoi County Commissioners will look at the final reading of the budget Thursday night. Sheriff Hensley says he plans to speak at that meeting to see what he can do to change the minds of some commissioners.